The belief that you're struggling at work is a weakness doesn't actually come from culture, it comes from biology, which when you are in a leadership position, your brain is constantly assessing hierarchy, and in humans, hierarchy is tied to perceived capability. So if you're burnt out from work, your nervous system doesn't interpret this as I need support, it interprets it as exposure. And when you show vulnerability, your nervous system reads it as a complete status threat. Not because you're insecure, but because your brain is wired to protect your position inside the social structure. So admitting that you're struggling mentally feels dangerous, not emotionally dangerous, but biologically dangerous, which means that you don't just hide the struggle, you stop acknowledging it internally, you reframe exhaustion as drive, you reframe overwhelm as workload, and you reframe dysregulation as urgency. And that's how burnout symptoms become physical long before you label it as burnout. Over time, you lose your ability to recognize when something is actually wrong because your nervous system has learned that awareness equals risk. So it dampens the signal, which means by the time you feel depressed and tired, it is already leaking into your performance. You're not early, you're not late, and it's not denial, it's protection. Your brain has made vulnerability detection a threat in itself. The stigma then isn't external, it's internal as a survival response. And you can't think your way out of a system that believes exposure equals danger.